guys, so I just wanted to show you the boutique that my wife has started. The one thing that I wanted to mention, the ceiling here is pushed with R20 sheets of insulation, fiberglass, to provide a little bit more soundproofing between the office space that she has here and our 3-year-old's bedroom upstairs. It's sound dampening. It does work quite a bit, especially since we're working here. If we're doing some filming, we don't want to wake him up. Check out her wonderful website. There's maybe some items that your partner would be interested in, so give that a glance, and I'll provide the site link in the video description below. The one advantage with blown insulation versus sheets of insulation is the blown insulation can more easily get into those hard to reach areas, especially the ceiling that I'm doing here. There's heat runs, there's also plumbing ducts that I had to get around. Okay, so we got our hose in here and some of the several holes that are provided, and the best way is to look through, because you should see pink everywhere here to show that it's completely full, that all the cavities are full. These are actually open trusses inside. I'll show you sort of a side view, but yeah, we have to lower the speed there a little bit, the intake, and then so that we have a little bit more control on the material. Okay, so you can see there's a little bit going through. This is sort of the open cavity, but we got to be careful on the side here. I may open up the hatch even more. So yeah, loose fill or blown insulation does get installed better in those cracks. But of course, with sheets of insulation, you don't have that membrane or the sheetrock, and so you can actually see a lot better when you're installing it. But again, it's really difficult, and you don't want to squish the sheets of insulation as you're installing them, say in behind ductwork or in behind electrical wires.